Dear students, the next topic is biotechnology and its applications, part 2. In this video, let us start the important remaining 5 more questions from biotechnology and its application chapter. Question number 7a. What is GEAC and mention its role? It is a question for 2 marks. For this, the answer is Indian government set up an organization such as GEAC. GEAC means Genetic Engineering Approval Committee. And this committee, it take some important decisions regarding to validity of genetically modified research work. Along with that, it can take care of safety of introducing genetically modified organisms for public service. Question B. Write a note on Indian Basmati patent. It is the question for 3 marks. The answer is Basmati rice is distinct for its unique aroma and flavor, and 27 documented varieties of Basmati are grown in India. In the year of 1997, an American company got patent rights on this Basmati from one of the office. It is US Patent and Trademark Office. So they developed the new variety of Basmati, and actually it is derived from Indian farmers variety. At this time, the Indian Basmati was crossed with semi-dwarf variety and claimed as a new invention or novelty. Because of this patent, the company allowed to sell a new variety of Basmati in the US and abroad countries, and they economically benefited. The question number 8. A. What is biopiracy? For 2 marks. The use of bioresources by multinational companies and other organizations without proper authorization from the countries and people concerned without compensatory payment is referred to as biopiracy. Because many countries are economically rich but poor in biodiversity, in that conditions, the other companies or country can utilize the natural or bioresources that is claimed as biopiracy. Question B. How traditional knowledge is useful to save time, effort in commercialization? It is a question for 2 marks. For this, the answer is that traditional knowledge related to bioresources, it can be exploited to develop modern applications, and this can also be used to save time, effort, and expenditure during their commercialization. It is a question for 2 marks. Question C. Which bill is cleared in Indian Parliament for patent issues? It is for 1 mark question. The Indian Parliament has recently cleared the second amendment of Indian Patent Bill for patent issues. Question number 9a. Which biopatent issue are arised in India? It is for 2 marks. So biopatent issues frequently arise in India, like some of the examples like Basmati rice, along with the traditional herbal medicine like turmeric and neem. Question B. What are GMO? In which way GM plants has been useful? It is a question for 3 marks. So plants, bacteria, fungi, along with animals whose genome or genes have been altered by manipulation, such organisms are called genetically modified organisms, simply denoted with GMO. They have some importance. The genetically modified organisms, they have more tolerance to various abiotic stresses like temperature, water, salt, and different conditions. And these genetically modified organisms, it can useful to reduce pesticides, usage of pesticides. Along with that, GM plants can reduce post-harvest losses, and these plants have increased its efficiency for usage of minerals. Along with that, the plants can enhance its nutritional quality. So these are the important benefits with GM plants. Number 10A. What is green revolution? How production is increased in agriculture? It is for 2 marks. For this, the answer is enhancing food production in agriculture by introducing hybrid variety of crop plants is called green revolution. Succeeded in tripling of food production. Question B. Write the 3 critical research areas in biotechnology. It is for 3 marks. The answer is the biotechnology it is providing the best catalyst in the form of improved organism, usually a microbe or a pure enzyme. It creating the optimal conditions through engineering for a catalyst to act. The third one is downstreaming processing technologies to purify the protein or organic compounds. So these are the 3 critical research areas in biotechnology. It is for 3 marks. Question number 11. A. What are transposons? It is for 1 mark. In RNA interference technique, the source of complementary RNA is formed an infection by viruses. That viruses having RNA genome or mobile genetic element is called as transposons. It is for 1 mark. Question B. How many therapeutic are approved for human usage and how many are marketed in India? The answer is 30 recombinant therapeutic has been approved for human use, but only 12 are marketed in India. Question C for 2 marks. Write the 3 options. Question C. Write the 3 options that can be thought for increasing food production in agriculture. It is for 2 marks. The answer is in agriculture, the food production is increased by the first method, agrochemical based agriculture. Second method, organic based agriculture. Third method, genetically engineered crop based agriculture. So with this method, it is possible to increase food production in agriculture. Question number 12. A. What is probe for 1 mark? A single stranded DNA or RNA. It is tagged with radioactive molecule is called as probe. Question B. What is ELISA and it is developed based on which principle? It is for 2 marks. The answer is enzyme linked immunosorbent assay, simply called as ELISA. It is used to detect HIV infections in HIV suspected patients, and it is developed based on antigen antibody interaction. In this, antibodies are detected formed by due to antigens. Question C. Which of the applications are included in biotechnology? The biotechnology includes therapeutics, diagnosis, genetically modified crop for agriculture, processed food, bioremediation, waste treatment along with energy production. It is the question for 2 marks. So these are some important questions from biotechnology and its application chapter. Thank you for watching.